Hello folks, today I want to talk to you a bit more about lists. Now lists... Hello folks and welcome back. Today I want to talk to you a bit about lists. Now lists are very similar to arrays. As you can see here, I have got a list called a list, original name, and this again can hold 4 pieces of data. As again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The biggest difference between a list and an array is an array reserved a whole area of data to store its information, whereas a list will just pinch data from anywhere it can. But to the user, it all looks just like an array. Okay, now there are bonuses to this. And there are issues too, of course. One bonus is that names can go in boxes still quite happily, and even though they're all over the place in the memory, to the user they will still look exactly the same. But here again we have an issue because we want to expand it to put AFC Wimbledon in the top flight, and we can't. But as it's on Blue Peter, here's one I made earlier. You can expand lists. So we can just take AFC and put it on the end there, and for a list that is perfectly allowable. Lists can be expanded or shrunk as you feel the need to. Okay? However, lists being expandable, they're not, though, having the same range of features arrays have. It's very difficult for a computer to tell how many items are in the list or where the last piece of data is, so there aren't many functions built into the programming libraries. And of course, because data is everywhere, it will be somewhat slower. Okay, so lists are quicker. So lists are not quicker, lists are slower, and lists are a bit more disorganized, but they can be expanded, which is a massive bonus over an array. Okay? Oh, and last thing, guys, last thing to remind you of is that there are lists which are read-only. So as soon as you put a value into it, you can never change it again. Those have got their own special name. These are called tuples. Tuples. Okay, and these are exciting things if you want to look into them, but there's nothing more than that to tell you about them really. Okay, so lists. Slower than arrays, but more flexible. There we go. Thank you very much, and see you again soon.